Myself D. Venkatraman, representing Conference Petroleum India Limited as DGM for South. Basically, we are participated in this exhibition of Franchise India to provide dealership across Tamil Nadu and other states of South. We don't take any deposit from our franchisee or from our dealer network. Our company is represented by our CMD sir, Mr. Nitin Khara, and their aim is to provide dealership amongst every pin code of India. So the availability of gas cylinders becomes very easy to every customer and every responsible citizen of India.
நியூவாக பிஸ்னஸ் ஆரம்பிக்கணும்னு நினைக்கிறவங்களுக்கு உங்களுடைய பிஸ்னஸில் என்ன குவாலிஃபிகேஷன் வேணும் இந்த பிஸ்னஸ் டீலர்ஷிப் எடுக்கிறதுக்கு என்ன ரிக்குவயர்மெண்ட்?
In our business, anybody can become an entrepreneur. The basic requirement is you should have a basic infrastructures. An investment of around 15 lakhs is required. This includes the infrastructural cost of a cylinder, the working capital, and a vehicle to cater the business to the customers.
எந்தெந்த பகுதிகளிலேருந்து நீங்கள் எதிர்பார்க்குறீங்க மெயினாக?
Basically, we are into domestic, commercial and industrial segment. But basically, we are concentrating more on the commercial business because every tea shop owner to hotel industries to all the industries requires LPG today. So, being an essential commodity, it is a need of the market which we want to cater to each and every part of the state.
நியூவாக இந்த பிஸ்னஸ்க்குள்ளே வர்றவங்களுக்கு உங்கள் கம்பெனி என்ன மாதிரியான சப்போர்ட் கொடுக்கும்?
We as the company we are always with the distributors. We try to give them all the marketing support they require by placing our own marketing executives, our managers in the market to support them to build their business. Apart from that, we are supporting them with media support, paper coverage, newspaper coverage, and then we are also participating in such big exhibitions where our brand image is there. Also, the distributors feel happy that they are also part of the company.
நியூவாக பிஸ்னஸ் ஆரம்பிக்கிறவங்களுக்கு மெயின் டார்கெட்டே ப்ராஃபிட் இருக்குன்னு எதிர்பார்ப்பாங்க. அந்த ப்ராஃபிட் அண்ட் ஃபியூச்சர் மாடல் இந்த பிஸ்னஸில் எப்படி இருக்குது?
With respect to the ROI and the profitability, we give a very handsome margin to our distributors with which they can earn a good amount of money and which they can run a successful business. They are open to the market and they have a huge segment to attract. So the customer base is very big. So the business sky is the limit. So whatever you do, it's just like few drops in the ocean. So since the business model is very big, anybody can do this business and earn handsomely.
இந்த பிஸ்னஸ்க்குள்ளே வர நினைக்கிறவங்களுக்கு உங்களோட அட்வைஸ்?
I can say this is a stepping platform for success. Such kind of business opportunity we are providing. The more number of people come forward and avail this opportunity, they will enjoy the high profits of this business.
உங்களை எப்படி காண்டாக்ட் பண்ணுறது?
We have given our numbers to everybody. Still, for the further thing, I can ask my state head, Mr. R. Magesh, to give all the details about the branch and the phone number so that you can contact us easily.
சார், எங்களுக்கு இங்கே சென்னையில் ரீஜனல் ஆஃபீஸ் இருக்குது. ஹெட் ஆஃபீஸ் வந்து நாக்பூருங்க. நான் இங்கே சென்னை ஆஃபீஸில் தான் இருப்பேன். என்னோடய நம்பர் வேணால் நோட் பண்ணிங்க. 8870 596 591.